Hey, I'm Becca.
I'm Kimberly.
It's Kimberly.
This is Hannah.
This is Hannah.
We can't move on this.
Say hi, Hannah.
Hi. I'm on YouTube.
Did they text back yet? Hannah? Did they text back yet?
Huh?
Did they
The
text back?
car. He's in the car.
Huh? What?
His phone is in his car. He's inside.
Well, go talk to him. Alright?
Right. Daddy did not say wake him up.
Go talk to him.
Well, I'm bored today.
You know what? You talk to him.
Kind of. Me and Kimberly took pictures.
Wow. Funny pictures.
They're cute. What?
Oh, I thought I hung up on her. Are you there?
Yeah.
If
Okay.
it's on speakerphone, it doesn't hang up, silly.
I
You have to
forgot.
push the red button.
Boy.
We might be going somewhere today.
If she talks to her
If she
dad.
gets her lazy butt up and goes and talks to her dad.
Go talk to him. We'll wait. We'll listen.
We'll
Take the
listen.
phone. No, wait, no. What if he yells at you? I don't want to hear that. Please.
I'm going to. But he's asleep. So here's the challenge. Get ready and
But no.
That doesn't make any sense. You have to see if you can.
You have to go talk to him.
Mom's asleep.
Him is being aggravating.
So both get mad at
Go
him.
talk to him. YouTube's seeing how you're acting.
YouTube sees you being a bitch.
Can I say
And
that
then
on YouTube?
Yes, you can. You can.
I love how serious you just got. I was kidding.
Why are you pulling my shirt?
It's okay. I was just there.
Ah. Why did you hang up on
Because she won't go talk to her dad.
8, 3, 2, 1. 5. Can you give me my little 2,
2, 4,
5? I don't know. I didn't mean to. 2, 1, 5. We're gonna call Larson.
Um.
No. Oh.